Do you know that growth in the use of digital skills is now non-negotiable for businesses and individuals if you want to stay relevant? Companies are desperate for digital talent, and this is your opportunity. Digital skills open doors to high-paying jobs and entrepreneurial ventures. Embrace the digital revolution, invest in your digital skills, and unlock the doors to wealth and success. This is gonna blow your mind. The world is changing fast. The digital age has revolutionized our lives, connecting us in ways we never thought possible. Digital skills are the key to success. Forget the old rules. It's about what you can do, not just what you know. Code is everywhere. It's the invisible force driving our modern world. From the use of smartphones to apps, code is the backbone of our digital existence. It powers our apps, websites, and even our cars. Imagine ordering food or booking a ride with just a few taps. Entirely possible through code. Knowing how to code is like having a superpower. It lets you create, innovate, and solve problems. You can build anything you imagine. Coding empowers you to bring your visions to life. Coding is becoming more accessible to everyone. With the right resources, anyone can learn. Tons of resources are available online. Free courses, interactive tutorials, coding boot camps. You can learn at your own pace. Fit coding into your schedule. The payoff is huge. Coding offers significant financial rewards. Coders are in high demand. They command top salaries and have the potential to shape the future. Yes, you heard right. They are that powerful. They have the freedom to work from anywhere. Coding offers unparalleled flexibility. Coding is an investment in your future. Would you rather start your coding journey today and unlock endless possibilities? Don't wait, get into it. Every business needs customers. The best way to reach them? Online. Digital marketing is all about connecting with your audience in the digital world. This includes social media marketing, search engine optimization, and email marketing. It's about creating engaging content that attracts people to your brand. Digital marketing is a constantly evolving field, but that's what makes it exciting. There's always something new to learn, and the results are measurable. You can see the impact of your work. In a crowded digital world, visuals matter a lot. Graphic design is about communicating ideas visually. It's about making things look good, and it's a highly valuable skill. Think about it. Every website, app, and social media post needs to look amazing. That's where graphic designers come in. They make brands stand out. The best part, you don't need to be a natural-born artist. With practice and the right tools, anyone can learn graphic design. And trust me, good design is pure gold in the digital age. Next up, the power of online learning. The best thing about digital skills, you can learn them from anywhere. All you need is an internet connection and a willingness to learn. Online courses are a game changer. They're affordable, accessible, and often more effective than traditional education. Plus, you can learn at your own pace. Don't forget about free resources. YouTube tutorials, blog posts, and online communities are gold mines of information. The internet is your oyster. Use it. You also need to know that freelancing is your path to independence. Freelancing is booming. More and more people are choosing the freedom of working for themselves, and digital skills are the perfect ticket to freelance success. Whether you're a coder, writer, or graphic designer, there's a huge demand for your skills online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. The beauty of freelancing, you're in control. You choose your clients, set your rates, and work on projects you're passionate about. It's the ultimate form of work-life balance. Next up, building your own empire. Starting an online business, the internet has leveled the playing field. No longer do you need a physical storefront or a large initial investment to get started. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can reach a global audience and build a thriving business from the comfort of your home or even your favorite coffee shop. Anyone with an internet connection can start an online business, whether you're selling handmade crafts, offering consulting services, or creating digital products. The opportunities are endless. The key is to find your niche and offer something unique that stands out in the crowded online marketplace. And digital skills are the foundation of any successful online venture. From understanding basic web design to mastering social media marketing, these skills will help you build and grow your business. There are countless online courses and resources available to help you learn and improve these skills. E-commerce, online courses, digital products, the possibilities are endless. You can sell physical products through an online store, create and sell digital downloads, or even offer your expertise through online courses and webinars. The digital world offers a vast array of opportunities for entrepreneurs. Digital products in particular have become increasingly popular. These can include anything from ebooks and online courses to software and digital art. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold repeatedly, providing a scalable source of income. You can turn your passion into a profitable business with the right skills and mindset. It all starts with an idea. Brainstorm, research market trends, and identify a gap that you can fill. Once you have a clear vision, you can start building your online presence and marketing your products or services. Starting a business is hard work. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. You'll face challenges and setbacks, but each obstacle is an opportunity to grow and improve. The journey of entrepreneurship is filled with highs and lows, but the rewards are worth the effort. But it's also incredibly rewarding. There's nothing quite like the feeling of seeing your hard work pay off. Whether it's your first sale, a positive review from a customer, or reaching a significant milestone, these moments make all the effort worthwhile. You're building something from the ground up, something you're passionate about. That's true freedom. The ability to create, innovate, and make a living doing what you love is the ultimate goal for many entrepreneurs. So take the leap, start your online business, and begin your journey towards building your own empire. Remote work, yes. Remote work is another fantastic move. The future of work is here. The traditional office is dying. Remote work is the future. And guess what? Digital skills are essential for remote work success. Companies across all industries are embracing remote work. This means more opportunities than ever for people with digital skills to work from anywhere in the world. Imagine this: working from a beach in Bali, a cafe in Paris, or the comfort of your own home. Exactly. That's the power of remote work, and it's all within your reach. To wrap it up, take action today. Believe me when I say that your future self will thank you if you make that audacious move right now. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt, to those who are hungry to learn new skills. Digital skills are the key to unlocking your full potential. Don't wait. Start learning today. Invest in yourself. Take that online course. Build that website. Launch that business. The time is now. The world is changing, and you need to embrace these changes as quickly as you possibly can. The question is, will you change with it? Embrace digital skills. Unlock your wealth. The future is yours to create. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. What digital skill will you start learning today? Let us know in the comments.